What's going on, YouTubers, gamers and hobbyists? Welcome to this Clay Golem tutorial. Started with already pre-primed in Vallejo Black, and we're going to start with a base coat of Rhinox hide and Lemire medium in equal proportions, so roughly a 1-to-1 mix. Now I am filling it down because there's going to be several layers, and I don't want to lose any of the detail that I have. The detail is strange on the Clay Golem because his face is there's not much detail on there. That's kind of because he's not like made that well, if that makes sense. It's emphasizing the fact that he is a Clay Golem. And Rhinox hide for a base coat, for a base paint, I find the Citadel Rhinox hide is particularly pigment thin, so I wanted to use Lemire medium to thin that one down. Thin the paint down, but to give it enough thickness for me to, well, splodge it on all over. So there he is, obviously waiting for that to dry in between. I did do a heavy dry brush of Scrag Brown, but the footage for that was corrupted. I'm just coming in like the day after showing you what brush I used and how I did it and how he looks. So he's had the Scrag Brown done there. Yeah. Tusk Gore Fur was next. I did a lighter dry brush with this, and what I'm aiming to do is show what I wanted to do with this Clay Golem is to put lots of different clay type colours in to emphasize different areas, different drying times, I suppose, if you will, because he's fairly newly made at this point, and so he'll be drying in different areas, and I wanted to show that. Some reds and browns, and browns with red undertones, and Tusk Gore Fur is perfect for that. So there he is with that. I love the face on this one, it's brilliant. Okay, Tau Light Ochre. Coming in with a slightly lighter dry brush, and once again I'm just lightly dusting over surface areas and thinking about where the sunlight may hit him to give quicker drying times for those areas. Now the next clip once again got corrupted, and it's for his loincloth, so once this is done I'll show you. So there he is done. The colour I used next for his loincloth was Wraithbone, but like I say, that footage got corrupted, so we're on to the final stage now. Darko Flesh mixed with Technical Contrast medium and Vallejo Glaze medium. Now I mixed these all together to give a very light glaze, but I did want to maintain some control over it. I didn't want it to go over the loincloth. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is essentially how I painted my Clay Golem, and I think he looks great. I sealed him in with matte varnish, as I do most of my models, and yeah, I think he's great. I think he's absolutely fantastic. I'm keeping him on his metal base as well, but I should be sinking that into the earth probably, as I'm going to be doing like a polyfiller base for my diorama. And that's it. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, a One Reaper Clay Golem. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Remember, all brushes lead to art. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now, folks. Bye bye.